everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Carrie and this is Clean Eating Kitchen, where I share easy, real food recipes to help you reclaim and recover your health so that you can live vibrantly. And today I have another Instant Pot recipe. This one is so easy. It is Instant Pot carrots. And if you're new to using the Instant Pot, this one is just perfect for you because you literally just throw everything in the pot, cook the carrots, and then mix it up with a few other ingredients and you're good to go. So I think you're gonna love this recipe. You can serve it with any main dish that you would serve carrots or roasted vegetables with, and even kids will eat cooked carrots because they're naturally sweet and delicious. So I hope you love the recipe. Let's get started. The first step is to take about 1 pound of peeled and chopped carrots and place them in your 6-quart Instant Pot along with 1 cup of water. And then just put the lid on and make sure it's in the sealed position and set the time on high pressure to just 2 minutes. And that's all it takes to get the carrots cooked and nice and soft. And then when the time is up, just take off the lid, and then we need to drain off the water. And so I do that in my sink with a colander. Just pour the carrots through the colander and be careful because it could be very hot and there still could be some steam. And then we're just going to pour the carrots back into the pot so we can toss the cooked carrots with a little bit of butter or ghee or coconut oil, depending on your favorite fat. And then I like to add a little bit of fresh thyme. You can use dried thyme as well to give the carrots just a little bit more flavor. And that is it. At this point, you can serve the carrots. They're good warm or at room temperature, and kids will even eat this recipe because carrots are so naturally sweet. You can also add a little tiny bit of salt and pepper to give the carrots even more flavor. That's it. I hope that you agree that that Instant Pot recipe was so easy, and I am going to link to my other Instant Pot easy recipe playlist right up here. And so you can check that out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.